Hi. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi from Crafty CNC. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can make canvases at home. This video is basically for beginners who don't want to buy expensive canvases. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's make a list of things we will need. First and foremost, a piece of cardboard. You can have it any size of your choice. I took a small one so that I can put it on my wall as shown in my Instagram stories. If you haven't seen them, do follow my page Crafty CNC for more exciting craft work. Second thing we need is glue. We will use this glue mixed with some water here. Third, we need a brush. I took a thick brush here so that I can cover a large area in one stroke. You may take any brush you have. And the most important thing we need is a bukram, which is basically a paper type of cloth mainly used by tailors to make stiff edges of clothes. This bukram is having so many wrinkles right now, but don't worry, they'll gone later. Lastly, here is a piece of paper, but it's completely optional. So we have gathered all the materials. Let's start with the process. First of all, take a bowl and mix 1 part of glue with 1 part of water. Make its consistency not very thick and not extremely thin. When it's ready, coat your cardboard with a layer of it. Now paste this cardboard on your bukram and be careful on this step. And paste it while removing the wrinkles from the bukram. Make sure the bukram is bigger than the cardboard you have taken, at least 1 inch from each side. Now we will turn around the cardboard and cut the corners for a smooth and clean finish. Then apply a layer of glue on the extra sides of the bukram and paste it. Make sure to press it to paste it thoroughly. It is necessary for a clean side finish. We will do that for all 4 sides. Now we will paste a piece of paper on the back side, which is completely optional as I've said it before. So your homemade canvas is ready to have your creativity on it. You can start painting directly. I have painted something on my homemade canvas as well. Let me know in the comment section how you like it, and please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Do follow me on Instagram, CraftyCNC, for more amazing artwork. Till then, goodbye.